How to operate your JF999 Air Purifier. This is the power button. Press it to turn on the purifier. Here is the PM 2.5 air quality indicator light. This is the temperature display. This is the humidity display. This is the filter life display. Shows the remaining life of the flitters. Press the fan speed button to adjust the fan speed between 1 and 5 levels. Pressing the auto mode button will automatically adjust the fan speed according to the air quality. This is the light button, which adjusts the brightness in 3 levels. This is the timer button, which can be adjusted according to your preferences and usage scenarios. This is the sleep mode button, which turns off all lights and operates the purifier at ultra-low noise. To activate or deactivate the child lock function, long press the child lock button. Thank you for using our product.